welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover. Today's video is an exciting video because it is officially the beginning of the month, which means it's Ipsy time. So before I jump into everything, I am affiliated with Ipsy. They do not pay me to make these videos, but they do send me the boxes for free. And this month we get the bag, the boxycharm box, and the icon box, which is so exciting. I love every single icon box that I get, and this one is curated by Starr, the owner of One Size Beauty. So if you're interested in signing up for Ipsy and boxycharm, I'll have all the information listed down below. That is an affiliate link, so if you sign up for it using my link, I do get a little bit of a commission. I don't know if it's actually money that I get or just a credit to shop on their site. It is what it is. But let's just hop into this. I'm going to start with the bag, then we'll go to the boxy, and then the icon. So I already did my makeup, and as I talk about the products that I use, I'll throw up like me applying them, and I'll talk about the stuff that I did use, what I'm not going to use, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's just hop into the Ipsy bag. So the theme this month is the Secret Garden. So this month, the Spring's Beauty Staples will bring your look into full bloom. So that is the theme, and there's always like this little card that comes in with it that explains like some of the products and like the idea behind the theme. But this is the bag for the month. I'll be honest, it's not my favorite. I really don't like this material. It smells like something you'd find in like the summer pool aisle in like a retail store, and like all those inflatable stuff. That's kind of what it smells like. Let's just hop into this. So the first product is a hair powder. This is the Dazzle Me SOS hair powder. This is to help control oil and leave your hair dry and fluffy. I am very interested in trying this. I did not use this today because my hair is freshly washed, so I don't have any oils to really do anything with. Plus my hair was in braids all day, and now it's not, and it's a little bit crazy, so I don't need this right now. But I am interested in trying this because I actually don't use any dry shampoo anymore because of that whole like thing about some of the stuff not being good for you, and I just stopped using it completely. So we'll see how this goes. This is exciting. This is from Milk Makeup. This is a very mini Hydro Grip primer. This is what e.l.f. did a knockoff of with their Power Grip primer. They're both wonderful. You can do no wrong having both of these. This is just a really tiny one, and I am actually not going to hold on to this one. I have used this in the past and I really do like it, but I'm trying to use up my e.l.f. ones, and if I have this Milk one, I'm going to use this one over that one. So this one will go into my current TikTok giveaway. A little bit of plug there. I am trying to hit 10K on TikTok, and when I do, a giveaway winner will be announced, so make sure you check that out. It's listed down below. And then from Dallas and James Skincare Co., this is the Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream Gel to Water Oil-Free Moisturizer. I know absolutely nothing about this brand, and I did not try this today because I am also testing out a foundation, which will be in a separate video coming up in a couple days, maybe a week, whatever. This says it's a lightweight facial moisturizer with hydrating watermelon, antioxidant superfruit, cloudberry, and pore perfecting niacinamide for velvety, smooth, and glowing skin. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and natural. Free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes, silicones, and mineral oil. That's good to know. I will probably hold on to this to try. I am trying to make my way through all my moisturizers, but this sounds very promising, so I can't wait to give this a try. And we also have another mini product. This is the Clear Brow Gel from Anastasia. I'll be honest, I'm not someone that gravitates towards clear brow gels. If I'm gonna use a brow gel, it's gonna have one that has color in it. So I like this, but I don't love it. And I actually have like 2 of these unopened in my drawer right now, so I'm not going to hold on to this. This will also go into the giveaway. And the last thing in this bag is a full-size lipstick from the brand What's Up Beauty. I am so intrigued with this brand, and I want their Dragon palette. Like, I really want their Dragon palette. But this is the lipstick Seba. It is a matte lipstick, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's what I'm wearing right now. It's very comfortable for being a matte shade, but I'll be honest, I didn't do a full like opaque swipe of it. I put it on and then I dabbed it out with my finger. But that is a beautiful color, and I can see me reaching for this a lot, especially if I compare it with like a really nice gloss. So I will give the Ipsy bag this month a solid 4. I really like the products that they chose. I just wish that the bag was just a little bit better. But now for the Ipsy box, this had some of the more exciting products in there. We got a full-size palette and a couple items that I'm not going to use. When you get the box from BoxyCharm, there is a little paper pamphlet in here that just goes a little bit more in depth about some of the products that you could have gotten. And you also get a peek of June's lineup, which, ooh, something from Briogeo sounds amazing. So there's some, you know, information in here, but not like the most information that you could possibly want. But first product is the Professional Good Cleanup from Benefit. This is a daily cleanser that you can use AM and PM that is supposed to help visibly minimize pores. And I do not use Benefit. I do try to use only cruelty-free products, especially mainly in makeup. Some of my other stuff that I use in my day-to-day, I haven't found a good alternative that's cruelty-free that works for me. That's a different story. Benefit unfortunately sells in mainland China, which requires testing on animals, so I don't use Benefit, which is sad because they have some very like intriguing brow products that I would love to try because their ginger shade looks so good. Needless to say, that is going into the giveaway. And the next product is from 8 Saints. This is the Soulmate Brightening Treatment. Very, very simple packaging. There's like nothing on the back here. I've never heard of this brand. I'm just going to read the side here. It says, our multi-dimensional treatment deeply exfoliates and hydrates for renewed, younger looking skin. Glycolic acid sheds dull top layer skin cells to unveil visibly brighter skin. Reduces appearance of age spots and discoloration. Hyaluronic acid, the pinnacle of hydrators, instantly plumps skin and reduces fine lines, and you can see visible results in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes? Really? And this is cruelty-free, and it's free of silicone, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, DEA, artificial colors, and fragrances. Interesting. So this says you can apply 1 to 2 pumps after cleansing your skin, avoiding the eye area, layer over serum and under cream. Can also be used under makeup in place of a primer. I'm tempted by this. I may give it a shot. If I don't, it'll go into my giveaway. And then this is the palette that was in the box this month. This is Ciate London's I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower Volume 2. This is a very, very long name. I didn't know that there was a Volume 1. So this is what the palette looks like, and it is, like, at first glance pretty. I did go in, I started with the shade Confident, and I put that all in my crease. And then I wanted the pop of purple on my lid, so I went in with Strong, and that kind of faded a little bit. But, you know, I liked that combo, and I dipped into the bottom shade, Unique Means Special, just to help deepen the outer V, and that didn't really like do too much. I also put that on my lower lash line, and I also blended on my lower lash line Self Love, which is like a more pink color, and it kind of just all like the tones blended together. And I did dip into One of a Kind to also put in my crease, and I used the shimmer shade Future is Female on my brow bone and inner corner, and then I also tapped that on the lid along with Powerful, which is beautiful. With this palette, I used the brushes that came in the box. I believe the brand is MIA by Massily. I don't know, it's kind of hard to read. I will say that the brushes seem to perform perfectly fine. They have a nice little bit of a weight to them. They don't feel overly cheap. And for the palette, I like the look that I did, but I'm not like that impressed with the shimmer shades. In the pan, they look really pretty, but like when you swatch them and then apply them, they're not that intense. And I'm so used to like the indie brands having like the most intense, gorgeous shimmers, and then this one is just a little bit lackluster. But like it's decent. I would use this on like a day-to-day if I want like a really quick eye look that's not gonna be like too hard to do or too time consuming. Like this is a great palette for that. But if you're looking for something that's going to be very like wow, impactful, and like out there, this isn't it. But I do enjoy it for what it is. The matte's blended out perfectly fine, even though the purple kind of faded away. It is what it is, but I like this. And then the last thing in the box was from Polite Society. This is the greatest lashes of all time. This is the only thing on my lashes right now. I didn't put on any fake lashes. The brush is actually not too bad. I typically don't prefer these, but it did a good job of just intensifying my lashes. I did a few coats on the top and bottom. I really like this on my bottom lashes. I think this made my bottom lashes stand out very well, and I'm very happy with this. I will say though that I wasn't planning on ever trying Polite Society because of the owner. It is the former owner of Too Faced, and he had some like controversies before he left Too Faced, and there's just stuff I didn't like jive with. But I've heard great things about the brand, and this mascara is actually like really good. So for the BoxyCharm box, I will also give this one a 4 out of 5. I really like the products, even though 2 of them I'm pretty iffy on. The fact that there's a mascara that I really like, a nice shadow palette, and brushes, like, I'm set with that. I could do without the skincare, but I'm happy with it regardless. But now let's get into the icon box. These come out quarterly, so every 3 months you'll get an icon box if you sign up for this tier. And let's just get into it. So this one obviously comes with a more of a newsletter, and it's all about Patrick Starr, his One Size brand, and the products that he chose because they are some of his favorites. So let's just jump into it. I'm gonna start with the 3 products that I actually used, and then I'll go into the rest. First up is I got finally the Cheek Clapper in the shade Attention Seeker. This is the shade and product that went like viral on TikTok, and for a good reason. I have it on right now. It is like bright bubblegum pink. I am obsessed with it. The cream went on very well, very seamlessly. It was easy to blend out, and the powder on top of that just intensified it and just made it, you know, more meldy into the skin, and I am obsessed with that. For the shimmery shade, I will say, like, I don't know, I have it on, but I also have my Rare Beauty highlight on. I just found this to be a little bit lackluster, but I'm sold on just the cream and the matte blush. Like, they are gorgeous, and I cannot wait to play with this more. I will see if I can get like the shimmer shade to really work for me. I am so happy that this was in here. I love it. And then the other One Size product we got is a liquid eyeliner pen. I'm a little miffed that this isn't black, but it is blue, and I love a good blue eyeliner. This is in the shade 02 Bossy Blue. The formula on this is absolutely wonderful. The wing I did took absolutely no effort to do, and I am super impressed with it. I like that there is a little like set handle for it, and like it just glides on so beautifully. I am obsessed. I would love to get this in a black shade. I think this may become my new favorite eyeliner as long as the black shade is just as good as this blue shade. I am so happy with this, and I really like how it all came out. And then from Lawless, there was the Forget the Filler Lime Plumpin' Line Smoothin' Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Sugar Plum. I had this on first before I put on the What's Up Beauty lipstick. Like, it looks a little scary because it looks super dark, but it shears out pretty well. This does tingle a little bit because it is, you know, a plumping thing. It's cute, it's comfortable, it was a nice little shade, and I like how it applied, and it just felt really nice. So the next item is from Kosas, is a fluffy brow and lash boosting serum. I am always interested in trying these from any brand, and I'm currently using one right now from The Ordinary, so I'm not going to open this, but I will save this for when I'm out of The Ordinary one to see how this one compares. But I'm very intrigued with this, and I'm happy to have something else from Kosas because I'm like a huge fan of the brand, and I haven't tried too much from them, but like everything I've tried I've liked, and like that's awesome. And from First Aid Beauty, this is the Bounce Boosting Serum, and I have actually tried this before. I got this through Skeepers maybe a year, maybe 2 years ago, and it's actually wonderful. But First Aid Beauty has some really great products, and I am very happy to have this serum back. I will add this to my rotation when I'm done with a serum that I'm currently using, but ooh, I'm happy to have this. Patrick Starr is obviously a fan of Benefit, and this is the Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. So this is supposed to smooth skin instantly and over time. It's to help pores look instantly refined, and it's a gel formula that transforms to clay and changes colors when dry. I'm not going to go through the whole spiel about Benefit. This will be added to the giveaway, but it's cool that it's in here if you're into that. Okay, and then from Fenty Skin, this is the Buff Rider Exfoliating Body Scrub. I am very interested in this because I am on the hunt for a very good body scrub. I've heard great things about Fenty Skin, so I'm very happy to try this. I will update it in the future when I use this, if I like it or not, but very excited for this. And then the last thing in this box is something that I don't get, really. It's not my thing, but it is a baby oil. I'm not going to take it out of this plastic. This is the Vacation SPF 30 baby oil, and I honestly have never used baby oil in my life because I always equate this with like tanning and like crisping in the sun, and that's not something I have ever done or ever plan on doing. So yeah, this is the only real dud in the icon box, and obviously I'm not into the Benefit stuff. It is what it is, but overall I'll give the box a 4.5, but I'm very happy with everything. So that completes the Ipsy BoxyCharm and icon box little portion of this video. So real quick, this is what my makeup looks like right now. I am very happy with it. Not so much happy with my hair, but that's a different story. But yeah, let me know what you think of this look. I know I went like super simple with it, but like I just really wanted to sit down and film. Plus my eyes were like super irritated, so I couldn't really put on lashes, so it is what it is. But yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, everything will be listed down below if you're interested in signing up for Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I really do like the subscription service. I did pay for it in the past, and the only reason why I canceled was because I wasn't working at the time and I didn't have the extra funds for it. But I am pleasantly surprised with like literally everything. I love that the icon box was with Starr. I'm super excited for the one size products because I have loved everything I've tried from that brand, and I am so excited to try more. I may have gotten an exciting email from them. But yeah, I think that's it. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want book content, I am Devouring Bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. All my social media links and all my discount codes and everything is listed down below if you're interested in that. But once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!